This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Profita. Beautiful large family home on an acre of land totally fenced in. No HOA. This 3/2/2 home boasts an open floor plan. Formal dining, front living room, open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, breakfast nook, and family room with a fireplace. French doors. All doors open up wide to the beautiful screen enclosed pool safety gates for children, with its own shower and half bath for guests. Large area for TV and a lounge area. Lots of room to add an outdoor kitchen. Beautiful newer laminate wood floors in the master bedroom. Fire pit for those cold nights. Brand new drain field. Irrigation for grass and plants outside the fence as well as all over the yard. Community has a rec room, basketball courts and a dock for fishing and a playground. Rainbow River is right up the road. Close to shopping too. Don't miss this wonderful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Profita at 352-286-3636.